Hi, I'm a 3D printer, and sometimes you want to rivet things together as a 3D printer, parts together. So I got the Arrow one-handed swivel riveter kit. It's a kit that comes with the tool but also brings rivets of different sizes, and they're color coded so that you know how wide you want them to be, and it has all of the adapters that you're going to need when working this tool. So it's really this is really sturdy. This is really well made out of metal. Everything's metal here. There's no plastic. The handle is rubber, takified. It comes with the safety, right? So that it doesn't open by itself, right? And then right here you can see the different adapters that go here. So you take this adapter out, and then depending on the size, so you put it here. So you put it here, the different adapters. So you have the different adapters. In order to be able to install it, you need to press it together, and that's going to allow you to then use the next one. Okay, so you have it. You can change the different colors, and they're color coded. So you have on the back, it says the color that you're gonna need. Like for example, this is green. It has red. They all come here. Red, yellow, and blue. And they're different sizes. So this is 4 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm. And these are really big. I'm not sure what size they are, but they're big. So depending on which color you need. For example, right now I have the blue adapter on. That means that if I wanted to use 4 mm rivets, that's the way to do it. So you open this up, you take it out, and then you put it in there. You put the rivet in there, right? This rivet goes in the hole, and then you press it really hard to whatever you're riveting, and you see how it's getting wider, you see? And that's going to take whatever two things that you're putting together, it's going to like fix them together. And then that click that you're going to hear at the end is the riveting, the tool cutting the excess of the rivet off. Okay? So then you see how it was in the beginning, and you see how it looks now. I mean, so you can compare. You're gonna have, when it comes in, it comes like this thing, and when you press it, it comes out like this, and then it breaks it apart. It didn't do it here because I want to demonstrate how it works, but this is sort of how you do when you're riveting these things together. So the Arrow riveting kit, super recommended.